Ndereti ya ungumania guku bururi niyo igithiaga na mbere. Riu mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga ugite ati mbeca iria kuratuika ciraiywo na njira ya ungumania ciahoteka gukahuthika hindi ya kampeni cia ithurano cia mwaka turorete.
Jubilee is resorting to corruption to finance campaigns and buy support as its only option of retaining power. Jubilee has broken every record with regard to corruption.
Kiaria mucemanio-ini uria ukurehete hamwe onjoria kuma kaunti-ini ya Githii, Raila ni athiete na mbere kuga ati ona thengia ya thirikari gwikiranira ngirimiti na president wa America Barack Obama mwaka muthiru ya guthii na mbere na kunyitithia thinga bara ya ungumania, mihango yothe ya kuhurana na ungumania ni igondereire.
Has also broken every promise to fight corruption, including an MOU signed with President Barack Obama. He must not be tempted to join this costly path to doom and failure. In the fullness of time, a court government will hold everyone to account for every penny and property stolen from the public.
Raila no orite thirikari cia kaunti cithii na mbere na kugathika mitaratara iria kuguciriria onjoria kaunti-ini ciao, na ongerera ati mubango wao kwa Kenya uria urenda gicunji kiria gikinyagirio thirikari cia matura gikinyio gicunji kia 40% gia kigina kia muingi, akiuga ati uyu ni undu uguka kuguna thirikari icio cia matura. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.